Here is a step-by-step guide to support you with designing your direct mail in stamp.com. Once logged in, select Campaigns or the Quick Access button to design and schedule a campaign now, or head to Designs to create a template for future use. Templates can be used to send mail in campaigns and with an API integration, and are a great option if you plan to send similar mail content multiple times. Saved template limits apply, so check your plan for details. Designing mail within campaigns has no limits, and you can copy a campaign and edit this to send something similar again in the future. Formats for your region will be displayed and available to select. Each will show specific information, such as the included envelope for letters, opening orientation for folded options, sizing, and the paper stock. You can start designing with a blank canvas or a fully editable stamp template. Alternatively, you have the option to view and select your own previously created templates and upload a new PDF template here. Once in the designer, there's a number of design commands available to you, with a zoom bar and keyboard shortcuts menu at the bottom right and more at the top of the page, including undo, redo, reset view, and drag viewpoint to move your design around. Click the question mark for the mail format guide. This contains the specific dimensions and explains the various design markings. These markings are only visible to support design and will not be printed. If you have borders, background colors, or images, extend these right to the edges through the trim and bleed lines. This will result in a great print finish and avoid any misaligned borders or white paper showing at the edges. Keep all of your important content, such as messages and QR codes, within the marked safe zone to make sure it's retained fully and clearly. The clear zone shows you where the address and postage marks will need to be clear for machine reading. Navigate through the menu on the left to access design features, images, address settings, page ordering, and other design tools. In Design, use Quick Access buttons to add text blocks, images, QR codes, and more. Click to add, then drag and drop into place. If you paste text from another source, this will add as plain text for you to adjust in the design. Insert your text, change the font, upload a custom font, adjust the color, sizing, and layout. You can also add custom variable text that will insert the content associated with each recipient in your data. Great for personalizing mail to engage recipients at an individual level. When you click to add an image, you can upload your own images, then preview, set an image as the background, or add to Canvas if you want to place or adjust these. You can also search and add free-to-use images here. Use the toggle to switch pages. Click to add a QR code, then drag and drop to your preferred placement and adjust the size. Add the destination URL and change the colors to blend in or stand out. For text, shapes, and QR codes, you can select from common colors, colors that already feature in this design, enter a color code, or use the eyedropper to color match. We're going to change the QR code colors to match the rest of the design. Now we have our message, a clear call to action, and a QR code to make engagement super simple. The clear zone is shown during the design process only. This is where each postal service specifies the location of address and postage marks for machine reading and processing. This cannot be moved. A white overlay is applied by default to keep this clear when printing. You can opt to remove this, but be aware that adding content or darker colors to this area could disrupt the machine reading the address and postage marks, leaving mail items undeliverable. You can see how this will look in the review steps before finalizing campaigns. A return address can be added to non-enveloped formats here. This will add to the edge of the address clear zone. Alternative address formats for your region can be selected if preferred. This will only populate recipient address data that you map at the upload stage. Once you're happy with your design, you can save this as a template or save and review in a campaign.